Good morning, people. It's race day. We have got everything set up. It's 6:33 a.m. right now. You ready to go?
What's this?
It's a vlog.
It's me on there.
We've been up since like 5:30, but yeah, we've got lots of snacks.
Breakfast.
Literally so many. So his breakfast. This is all of the gummies that he's gonna be having. His bag, all of his stuff he laid out. Okay, here's the breakfast. What is that?
Honey.
That's honey?
1 spoon honey.
Oh. Oh.
Like honey. Okay.
Holy, that's a lot. Holy, okay.
I need it.
Hey, Max.
So I found these shorts to wear.
Okay.
So it looks like I'm wearing bikie shorts. And these shorts.
Oh, there's shorts under. Wow.
This has a pocket in it.
Oh, wow.
Under these shorts, there's this.
Wow, there's another pocket.
In it.
Is that gonna annoy you? Those
I don't
pants?
know. Depends what I put in here, if anything.
Okay.
Though I am contemplating. I don't know actually. What I'm contemplating.
Chadster. Explain all your things here.
Vitamins, which I need to take some of.
Should you take one of those when you get there?
One of these? No,
Yeah.
I won't take it till I start because I'm eating all of this.
Okay. Rice Krispie treat.
Just a little bit of protein granola. You're not supposed to eat too much protein before you run. So, I'm just eating a little bit. So I have that amount so my muscles don't tear or something. Thanks for your input. Last week, 20 kilometers done. Tried to run 42. Week before that, probably did about 5-10 kilometers. Week before that, probably less.
So you're gonna be fine.
That's not what
Oh.
the message that the message is that I'm not that's not enough running.
Baboon butt, guys.
Heyo, 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 heyo. He's good.
The hair is looking a little crazy. But here's the outfit. What's going on here? Yeah. Just gonna put a jacket on over it if it gets cold. But with my surgery that just happened, I literally sweat every single step that I take because I'm still super sore. So the hips are gonna have to try and help me a little bit today. Chad did get a haircut yesterday.
Yeah.
Perfect. He changed his shirt because he's having a midlife crisis. A mid-change crisis.
I just want to make sure everyone can see the nipples through the shirt.
It's important. That looks like it's literally grabbing onto your nipple.
Yeah, I'm actually kind of worried about the metal underneath it going. It's fine.
You still need Vaseline?
Yes.
Okay.
On my feet.
We're ready.
Doesn't matter if you're ready.
Well, look at, I match your thing.
Yes, you match the
We're so American.
the one color that I'm wearing the least of. You are wearing.
Well,
the
that's what
most
you're
of.
supposed to do, is like match,
Oh.
like, because you're wearing blue and white and I'm wearing red.
That's. I guess that makes sense. What are you doing? Why are you making like a sitcom face when someone tells her?
Guess what?
And then the laugh track.
I'm
plays?
American.
That's the
He's
face you're
not.
making. It's like on Friends.
He will be soon,
Someone
though.
says something really dumb, and then the laugh track plays.
Anyway.
That's what you. Hey, we're driving.
Hi. I'm driving. We're walking. I am, oh my gosh. This is crazy zoomed in. Yeah, we're walking.
Very insightful commentary.
And it's a far walk from the
guys,
car.
We're walking
And once
on
he
a road.
Once he starts running, I'm gonna have to walk all the way back to the car. So it's gonna be a good time. Damn, that's a lot of people. That's a stadium. How do you feel?
Good.
Good? Are you getting nervous more or less? Less. That's good. It's almost time. It's gonna be great. This is the farthest I can see, so. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, he's off. I'm heading over to the car. I'm getting so warm because this damn hip is giving me problems, which to be expected, I guess, but we parked so far away because I wanted to watch him start, and it was really cool. So I'm glad I did that. Now I'm almost to the car. So, and yes, I'm out of breath. Just walking to the damn car. It's embarrassing. Okay, we're back. I'm in the car, and we have dropped him off at his marathon, cheered him away, and I'm gonna head back to the house, make some signs for him, and grab some snacks for him. Woo! Is he coming?
You want to come here?
Yeah.
They're putting up speakers yesterday and this morning. Very. Murray next up, a 19-year-old chap. Well done. The Langley run is through with Dave Bailey just behind Bailey.